Well, howdy. Gonna let you in on a little secret. You can change your own oil for your FTR using this kit that we sell in the store. One sec. Check it out. You got oil. A lot of it. And some more. And you've got washers and an oil filter. So watch this video, the next video it's gonna play, to learn how to do that.
To change the engine oil and filter on your FTR 1200, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop the engine. Remove any debris near the engine oil fill plug and remove the plug. Clean the area around the oil drain plugs. Place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Remove both drain plugs and allow the oil to drain completely. While the oil is draining, remove the engine oil filter. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase and make sure the old filter O-ring is completely removed. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil. Ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn an additional 3/4 of a turn. Inspect the drain plug and sealing surfaces. Install new sealing washers onto the drain plugs. Notice, the sealing surfaces on the drain plugs and crankcase should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Clean the sealing surfaces and reinstall the drain plugs. Then torque to specification. Wipe up any residual oil on the vehicle. Fill the engine with the recommended amount of oil through the oil fill cap. Reinstall the oil fill plug. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Inspect the engine oil sight glass for proper fluid level and add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the sight glass. Wipe up any residual oil that may have collected on vehicle components. Dispose of the used oil and filter properly. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.